But it's okay, later on I got some watermelon. So delicious and crunchy. Once the weather had cooled...
Porcupines can be found across various continents, including North America, South America, Africa, and Asia, inhabiting a range of environments from forests to deserts. Despite their prickly appearance, porcupines are primarily herbivorous, feeding on a diet of leaves. When threatened, they employ various defensive strategies, such as rattling their quills, stamping their feet, and emitting chemical odors.
Come here, Monty.
Allowed on the bed, you... No!